Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here, the upgrade of the popular X8 smartwatch. What we have here is the 8X, X8 Max smartwatch. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a new packaging. Okay, I'm going to show you the previous X8, okay, the first version we have here. Okay, and as you can see, there's a very huge improvement on the packaging of the X8 smartwatch. And we have here, of course, the X8. Okay, so we have here a much more premium looking box design. Okay, we have here, okay, sporty looking wearable. Okay, so we're going to have the unboxing of this wearable, and we'll check its design, specs, as well as the display. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, okay, the X8 smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Okay, so let's open the box here. Although it is simple still, it is a very big improvement over the previous X8. Okay, so this is your X8 Max smartwatch. Okay, so we have the user manual. Let's check. Okay, so English and Chinese language here. So it is using the HRY Fine app. Okay, very popular app. Okay, we all have the instructions here on how to set up your wearable. Okay, and we have charging cradle type, but still magnetic. Okay, it's not wireless charging. USB connector here. We have the strap. Okay, very good strap here, flexible. Okay, with a metal lock here. Okay, force fitting style. And we have the smartwatch. Okay, so very beautiful brush finish here with a little bit of glossy. Okay, let's try to remove the plastic here so you can see the overall design of the body. Okay, we accidentally turned it on. So here is the body of your wearable. Let's turn it off first. Okay, let's attach the strap so we can see the overall design. Okay, so left, as you can see here, we have here force fitting here. Okay, let's okay, as I have said, it is force fitting, and we have successfully attached the strap for the wearable. Okay, so as you can see here, so let's wear and see how it looks on our wrist. Okay, very soft strap. I hope it lasts. Okay, anyways, you can attach a different third-party strap for the smartwatch. Okay, very chic, cool, and trendy. This is your X8 Max smartwatch. Okay, so let's remove it. Again, it has a zinc alloy body here. So we have a crown button, pill shape. We have here, I think this is a mic and a speaker here on the other side. On the bottom part, we have the X glass. We also have ECG here, Bluetooth watch, 6th generation, 44 millimeter. So the design is okay, glossy, semi-glossy brush finish. Let's check on the specs here. We have here the AliExpress. 1.75 inch here, X8 Max smartwatch. So it is using the HRY Fine app, available in black, pink, red, blue, purple color. We have here the chipset SYD8810 plus FR3029, compatible with Android 5.0 and above, iOS 9.0 and above platform. For the pixel resolution, we have here 320 by 385. So let's check. Let's turn it on. Long press. I can feel some vibration. IP67 waterproof rated. So we have here different functionalities. For more information on the specs and features, just check the links below. We have here on our smartwatch specifications.com. So beautiful smartwatch, the X8 Max smartwatch, and at the same time very affordable, less than $20. So long press, let's see, you can change the wearable watch face. That's it. So slim bezel here. Let me have a closer look. Slim bezel on top and on the side, but we have a much bigger bezel here on the bottom part. Good display resolution here. Good refresh rate. We have several watch faces in this smartwatch. So this is your X8 wearable. Let's check for the is there a magnet? There's a magnet, but it is not that strong. Anyway, still, see, really not that strong, but still it attaches itself easily to the power connector. Again, let's have a closer look, as well as the display of the X8 Max smartwatch. So guess the rotating crown button here is not working. I don't know. We'll see. No, it's not working. On our next video, we're going to show you the different menus of the X8 smartwatch. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.